Hello guys, welcome to IVM company here in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. So today we are at the plant where they manufacture Tricycle, Keke Napep. You know, so many of you have been asking me about IVM Keke Napep, the Tricycle. How much is it? Where can I buy it? And so many other questions. So today I will first of all show you guys around this IVM Keke now, so that you see the process of they have done so many stages. It's almost at the coupling stage now. They have coupled almost all the parts, so it's remaining some parts to be coupled. Like this one now, you can see the tire inside. So I'm gonna show you to see all the Keke Napep that's lined up here, all of them by IVM. So if you want to buy IVM Keke Napep, just reach out to me, call my number, chat me up, then I'm gonna give you the remaining information that you need. Okay, can you tell us what these ones now
This is the body of the Keke.
Okay, the body of the tricycle.
Yes.
So as is here now, what is it waiting for? What's the next?
The next step is
stage?
first of all wire the tricycle.
Okay, the wiring.
Yes, the wiring before the dashboard.
Okay.
Then we now put the mirror, and before the interior people come in and put some of the things.
Okay, I can see towards this side. I can see the.
This is the glasses of the vehicle and Keke.
Of the Keke.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So after wiring, you put the glasses.
After wiring, put the dashboard.
Okay, you put the dashboard.
Yes.
Okay, where are the dashboards? I can't see the dashboards here.
It's in the other one.
Okay.
Before this is the body of the vehicle first. First of all, wire before the dashboard.
Okay.
Like the other one now, there is dashboard.
Okay. Can we go over there and see that one?
This is the dashboard.
Okay.
Inside the dashboard, you can put the seats.
Okay.
Then the rubber, the tire, then the lights.
Okay.
This is the rear lights. This is the headlamp.
Okay. So there is this question people always ask: if Innoson vehicle, they produce vehicle or they assemble vehicles?
We produce vehicle.
We produce vehicle
from the scratch.
People usually ask questions. If that, not even ask questions, people say that IVM, that they just assemble vehicles.
No, we don't assemble vehicles. As this is the body of the vehicle, we first of all weld the vehicle.
Okay.
The Keke. If you go to welding.
Okay, welding.
Yes.
You guys do the welding.
Yes.
In the company here.
Then paint it.
Wow.
After welding, you treat it before you paint it. Here is the finishing.
The finishing part.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So, like this now is just for this one, for the mirror to be fixed.
Yes.
Mirror,
the mirror and the glass.
And the cover.
Yes. The canopy.
And the canopy. And is ready to be sold.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's amazing. And people also like to know, what the price of these tricycles are like, what the price will be like. Can you tell us at this moment what the price will be like?
I don't really know because I'm not in sales department.
Okay, you're not in the sales department. Okay, so that one is left for the sales department to determine how much it's going to be.
Yes,
oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Innoson vehicles, they are doing great job here, man. You can see the tricycles lined up, all produced and assembled by Innoson vehicles. This is amazing, guys. This is super amazing. So thank you for your time. Thank you for taking out time to explain all these things.
You're welcome.
To us.